I am blue. Let's see. So let me write on there. So we're looking at this problem right here, but let me do an example that relates to what I'm about to say. Exactly how would 6/9, how would you reduce that? 6/9.
Well, it would be 2/3.
Yeah, why? Because 6 is 3 times 2, and 9 is 3 times 3. Now, most of the time, none of us would show this step here, right? We kind of do this step in our head. But let me just show it for right now. So what actually physically happens here is the 3's cancel, right? And why do they cancel? Because it's the same thing in that it's multiplying and dividing by 3. So of course they undo each other. So what piece of part B will have that happen? What piece of part B?
X's.
Yeah, the X's.
Variables.
There's an X there, and there's an X there. And since it's times and divide, of course they cancel because the operations are opposite. And then you just end up with 5 times X plus 4. That's all you got left.
Okay, that's right. Okay, so I did the same step for C, right? So I did 2 times 2 times Y times Y, and it just the whole same process. But
Yeah,
for B, like,
you could write this out. I think you're basically doing something like that, or maybe
right.
you choose together. Yeah.
Right, that's how I saw it.
4 times Y. So then 1Y cancels. You could just see 4/8 and reduce that, and then how many Y's cancel? Just 1. But if you write it out, sure, you can just cancel them directly. I like it.
Correct.
Same way I did up here, this extra stuff.
Yeah. Oh wait, that's why, because it's X plus 4. That's why I can't cancel it. It's an addition problem. Gotcha. Never mind. Now I remember.
No, so that's a really good question too. I think your question is related to something. What if I had just this?
It won't work.
Yeah. Do you guys see why this works? These X's, I can kill those X's, but I cannot kill those X's. Does anyone see why?
No, it's an addition problem.
Yes, but why is that important? Because I can only cancel things when there are opposite operations. So what operations do I have in here? I have division and I have addition. Are those opposite operations? No. So there's no way in hell that can cancel. That's not what division does. Division does not cancel addition. Right? So this problem, I couldn't do anything with. What could I do with this problem, though? What if I make it 4 times X instead of 4 plus X? Can I do something here?
That'll work.
Yeah, that'll work.
Yes.
Is it my speaker? He suddenly got very